Welcome to The Circle. Today's video is about creating a work-life balance for fulfillment. In today's fast-paced world, finding balance between work and life can feel like an elusive challenge. But fear not, because we are here to guide you on this exploration where we'll uncover the wonders and significance of striking that perfect equilibrium between our professional aspirations and personal well-being. Picture a life where you feel accomplished and fulfilled in your career, while also having time for your passions, loved ones, and yourself. That's the essence of a healthy work-life balance. So get ready for an exciting video that will inspire and equip you with practical tools to achieve harmony in your daily life. Let's start by delving into the concept of work-life balance. At its core, it's about allocating time and energy between work-related activities and everything else that matters to us. Think of it as a delicate dance between the two realms where each step influences the other. The lack of balance can lead to stress, burnout, and strained relationships. It's pretty much like walking on a tightrope without a safety net. In our modern, hyper-connected world, it's easy to lose sight of the importance of work-life balance. Technology has made us more accessible than ever, blurring the boundaries between work and personal time. Many of us find ourselves juggling multiple responsibilities simultaneously, leading to exhaustion and diminished productivity. But here's the thing. Embracing work-life balance isn't about disconnecting from technology or abandoning ambition. It's about finding mindful ways to integrate both aspects simultaneously. By re-establishing boundaries and prioritizing self-care, we can nurture a more balanced lifestyle that fosters success and fulfillment. Now, let's delve into the incredible impact of work-life balance on our health. Numerous studies have shown that a harmonious work-life routine positively affects our physical and mental well-being. Reduced stress levels, improved sleep patterns, and enhanced overall happiness are just few of the rewards that come with a well-balanced life. It's not just about exercise and nutrition. Work-life balance allows us to nurture our emotional and mental health as well. Now that we all know the significance of work-life balance, it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into some interactive and actionable steps that will help each one of you bring balance into your lives. Number 1. Define boundaries. Picture this, guys. You're at home, trying to unwind after a long day, and suddenly work email starts flooding in, intruding on your personal time. Not cool, right? That's why it's crucial to set clear boundaries between work and personal life. Let's make a pact to avoid work-related tasks during our leisure hours. Set specific hours and commit to taking a break when it's time for yourself. You deserve that peace of mind. Number 2. Prioritize self-care. You're all amazing individuals, and guess what? You deserve to be cared for too. It's time to make self-care a priority in your lives. Dedicate time each day for activities that can help you relax and recharge. Whether it's meditating for inner peace, exercising to stay fit, or indulging in hobbies that bring you joy, make self-care a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Remember, a happier you means a more fulfilled and productive you. Number 3. Make flexible work arrangements. Variety is the spice of life, guys, and it also applies to your work arrangements. Explore the wonderful world of flexible work options. Remember, remote work, flexi time, or even job sharing can be game changers when it comes to finding a balance between your work and personal commitments. Embrace the power of choice and find the arrangement that best suits your lifestyle. Number 4. Quality over quantity. Let's talk about work productivity. It's not about how many hours you clock in. It's about how well you make use of those hours. Focus on being productive and efficient during your work hours, and you'll be amazed at how much more time you'll have for your personal life. You'll strike that perfect balance by working smarter, not longer. Number 5. Make time for family time. Your loved ones matter. As you juggle work responsibilities, don't forget to allocate quality time for your family and friends. Life is about making meaningful connections, and that starts with nurturing your relationships. By making family time a priority, you'll find a deeper sense of belonging and fulfillment both at work and in your personal life. Number 6. Digital detox. Alright, let's face it, guys. We are living in a digitally connected world. But sometimes we need to disconnect and reconnect with ourselves and those around us. Schedule periods to unplug from all those devices. A digital detox can help you rejuvenate, gain clarity, and be more present in the moment. You'll be amazed at the inner peace you can find when you're not constantly glued to your screens. Number 7. Learn to say no. We get it, guys. You're all go-getters and you want to excel in everything you do. But here's the thing. Superheroes need rest too. Learn to say no when you're overloaded with tasks. Setting realistic expectations and boundaries allows you to manage your workload better and maintain that much-needed balance. Remember, It's okay to take on what you can handle and delegate the rest. So there you have it, guys. Some practical steps to bring work-life balance into your lives. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. Take these tips, personalize them to your unique circumstances, and make steady progress towards that perfect harmony. Let your journey to a balanced life start today. Incorporating these tips into our daily routine can help create a profound impact on our overall well-being and satisfaction. As we explore and strive for a healthy work-life balance, it's essential to do so responsibly. Balancing work and leisure isn't about recklessness. It's about finding harmony while staying safe. Whether it's hiking, travel, or any other leisure activity, taking necessary precautions ensures that we enjoy ourselves without compromising our well-being. Embracing work-life balance not only benefits us individually, but also has a positive impact on the world around us. Companies that encourage work-life balance tend to adapt more sustainable practices, leading to a healthier planet. So there you have it, the captivating world of creating a healthy work-life balance for fulfillment. We've explored the various benefits, from improved health to fostering a greener planet, and learned practical ways to make it a reality. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts, experiences, and tips for maintaining a healthy work-life balance in the comments below. Remember, it's never too late to embrace balance and live a fulfilling life. As we conclude this video, let's cherish every moment, find joy in the little things, and create a life that's truly fulfilling. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.